Welcome to our travel series where we explore the best destinations around the world. Today we're uncovering the best 5 places to visit in California. This sun-soaked state is a dream destination for many, boasting an array of iconic cities, stunning natural landscapes, and a rich, diverse culture. From the glittering lights of Hollywood to the towering sequoias of Yosemite, California promises an unforgettable journey. Prepare for an exciting journey as we delve into the Golden State's top attractions. Starting our journey in the north, we explore the vibrant city of San Francisco. This city, known for its steep hills and old-style cable cars, is a melting pot of art, culture, and innovation. First on our list is the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. This magnificent structure, painted in a striking international orange, stretches across the Golden Gate Strait and connects San Francisco to Marin County. It's not just a marvel of modern engineering but a symbol of the city that stands tall against the backdrop of the vast Pacific Ocean. Next, we venture to Alcatraz Island, a place filled with history and intrigue. Once a notorious federal prison, Alcatraz now serves as a museum, offering a glimpse into the lives of some of America's most infamous criminals. Listen to the echoes of the past as you wander through the cell blocks, and don't forget to take in the breathtaking views of the San Francisco skyline from the island. As we delve deeper into the city, we find ourselves in its unique neighborhoods, each with its own distinct character. Chinatown, for instance, is a vibrant blend of old and new. It's the oldest Chinatown in North America and the largest Chinese enclave outside Asia. As you stroll through its bustling streets, you'll find authentic Chinese restaurants, colorful markets, and historic temples, making you feel as if you've stepped into a different world. San Francisco is also home to the lively neighborhood of Fisherman's Wharf, a waterfront area known for its seafood stalls, sourdough bread bakeries, and of course, its resident sea lions. It's a place where you can savor the city's culinary delights while enjoying the cool ocean breeze. From the bohemian vibes of Haight-Ashbury, the birthplace of the hippie counterculture, to the vibrant Latino culture in the Mission District, San Francisco is a city of neighborhoods, each offering a unique cultural experience. San Francisco, with its charm and diversity, truly leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. Leaving the city behind, our next stop is the breathtaking Yosemite National Park. As we journey into the heart of California, we're welcomed by an oasis of natural wonder, a testament to the raw power and beauty of Mother Nature herself. Imagine towering granite cliffs that have withstood the test of time, their majestic forms etched into the landscape. These aren't just any cliffs, but icons such as El Capitan and Half Dome, some of the most photographed and climbed formations in the world. Shaped by the relentless forces of nature, they serve as a reminder of our planet's past and the awe-inspiring power of the elements. But the cliffs are merely the beginning. As we delve deeper into the park, we encounter waterfalls cascading with a fierce and untamed beauty. The thunderous roar of the water as it plummets into the valleys below is a symphony of the wild, a testament to the park's dynamic nature. From the towering Yosemite Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in North America, to the ethereal beauty of Bridalveil Fall, each cascade is a spectacle in its own right. And then, there are the giant sequoias, ancient guardians of the forest. These towering trees, some of the largest and oldest living things on Earth, are a sight to behold. Walking among them, one cannot help but feel a sense of awe and respect. The Mariposa Grove, home to over 500 mature giant sequoias, is a humbling reminder of the scale and grandeur of nature. Yet, what truly sets Yosemite apart is its ability to inspire. The park's unspoiled beauty has been a muse for artists, writers, and dreamers for generations. It's a place where one can find solace in the silence of the forests, feel the rush of the rivers, and witness the dance of light and shadow on the cliffs. In every season, Yosemite National Park offers a unique spectacle, a chance to reconnect with nature and lose oneself in its grandeur. Whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of the climb, a nature enthusiast, or simply in search of tranquility, Yosemite has something for everyone. Yosemite National Park's unspoiled beauty makes it a must-visit destination. Next, we journey to Los Angeles, the entertainment capital of the world. This sprawling Southern California city is renowned globally for its vibrant art scene, culinary diversity, and of course, Hollywood, the beating heart of the American film and television industry. Imagine strolling down Hollywood Boulevard, a place where history and present collide. Here you'll find the iconic Hollywood Walk of Fame, where stars are literally embedded in the sidewalk, each one a tribute to the artists who've shaped the entertainment world. A stone's throw away is the Dolby Theater, home to the Oscars, where the glittering gala of movie magic takes place every year. But Los Angeles is not just about the silver screen, it's a city that appreciates the fine arts. Enter the Getty Center, perched atop the Santa Monica Mountains. It's a modern architectural marvel, housing an extensive collection of European paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts. The panoramic views of the city from the Getty Center are something to behold, an amalgamation of urban sprawl and natural beauty. Then there's the coastline kissed by the Pacific Ocean, where the beaches of Santa Monica and Venice offer a different flavor of Los Angeles. The Santa Monica Pier, with its iconic Ferris wheel, is a nostalgic nod to classic beachfront entertainment. Venice Beach, on the other hand, is a bohemian paradise, where street performers, skaters, and artists create a lively, colorful atmosphere. Los Angeles is also a food lover's dream, where you can travel the culinary globe without leaving city limits. From authentic Mexican tacos on a street corner to gourmet sushi in a high-end restaurant, the food scene is as diverse as the city itself. Los Angeles, with its glitz and glamour, is a place where dreams come alive. Whether you're a movie buff, an art enthusiast, a beach lover, or a foodie, Los Angeles has something for you. It's a city that's always ready for its close-up, forever basking in the glow of the California sun. Heading further south, we find ourselves in the sunny city of San Diego. Brimming with charm and a year-round temperate climate, San Diego is a city that's as welcoming as it is beautiful. Let's start with the city's crown jewel, the world-renowned San Diego Zoo. Nestled within Balboa Park, this zoo is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates wildlife. Here, you can find over 3,000 rare and endangered animals, including the adorable giant pandas and the majestic African elephants. It's a true testament to conservation and a place that enchants both young and old. Speaking of Balboa Park, this urban cultural park is more than just home to the zoo. It's a vibrant hub of art, culture, and history. With 17 museums, several art venues, beautiful gardens, and the iconic California Tower, it's a place where you can easily spend an entire day and still have more to explore. Now, what's a trip to San Diego without a visit to its stunning beaches? The city boasts a whopping 70 miles of coastline, offering a beach for every kind of visitor. Whether you're looking to surf the waves at Pacific Beach, build sand castles with the kids at Coronado Beach, or simply soak up the sun at La Jolla Shores, San Diego's beaches are a paradise for all. Don't forget to explore the historic Gaslamp Quarter. With its beautifully restored 19th century buildings, this 16-block area is full of galleries, boutiques, and restaurants, making it a bustling hub of activity day and night. And if you're a fan of craft beer, you're in for a treat. San Diego is often referred to as the craft beer capital of America, with more than 150 breweries to its name. San Diego's laid-back vibe, its blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, not to mention its stunning coastline, make it a perfect vacation spot. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a beach bum, San Diego has something for everyone. Lastly, we visit the world-renowned wine region, Napa Valley. Imagine rolling hills blanketed with row upon row of grapevines, stretching out as far as the eye can see. That's the quintessence of Napa Valley, a true haven for wine lovers. The vineyards here are not just places where grapes grow, they are a testament to the artistry of winemaking. The region's rich soil and favorable climate have produced some of the world's most acclaimed wines. Each vineyard offers its own unique wine tasting experiences, allowing you to sample the best of what the region has to offer. But Napa Valley is not just about wine, it's also a culinary paradise. The region is dotted with Michelin-starred restaurants where gourmet food is paired with the finest wines. From farm-to-table bistros to high-end dining, there's a gastronomic experience for every palate. Napa Valley, with its excellent wines and scenic beauty, offers a refined and relaxing getaway. California, with its diverse landscapes and vibrant cities, offers something for everyone. We've basked in the golden glow of San Francisco, explored the majestic wilderness of Yosemite, immersed ourselves in the glitz of Los Angeles, soaked up the sun in San Diego, and savored the world-class wines of Napa Valley. Each location, unique and captivating, paints a different hue on California's rich tapestry. We hope you enjoyed this journey through California. Now we're curious. Which state would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below.